Hello everyone, Justin here, and I am back with another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week, everyone, we are going to learn to have thick skin. Thick skin. So this is skin, right? So to have thick skin, what does this mean? Let's find out in our video today. But first, let's do a quick review of last week's lesson. All right, everyone. So imagine I say, thank you so much for helping me with my presentation. And because you have so much experience and so much skill, it was easy for you. So you say, of course, you're welcome, but is there a better way of saying that? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said, no sweat, I'm always happy to help, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to thick skin. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so Taro, my good friend and colleague, and we just got out of a really tough meeting. And in the meeting, our boss was very angry at one of our colleagues, Kim. So I asked Taro, is Kim okay? The boss yelled at her in the meeting. Maybe he was very angry, or he didn't like the work she was doing, or he didn't maybe appreciate her opinion, something like that, okay? So is she okay? Because that was a very scary situation or tough situation. Taro says, yeah, she's okay. Kim has a tough mind. Okay, yeah, I can imagine Kim is very strong. Okay, it doesn't bother her, so she has a tough mind. Okay, that's good. However, you might hear a native English speaker say, she's okay. Yeah, Kim has thick skin. Okay, so someone who has thick skin is someone who isn't disturbed easily, someone that doesn't get insulted easily, someone that doesn't take offense easily, or they don't mind criticism. Okay, they're very tough. They have thick skin. Okay, now on the other hand, someone who always gets insulted, someone who gets angry or upset easily, okay, they have, that's right, thin skin. Okay, but in this case, Kim has very thick skin, so that's good. In business, sometimes you need to have thick skin, okay? Like armor, like protection. Nothing gets to you, okay? All right, so please remember that for next time. All right, our pronunciation, everyone. So thick skin, all right? We have a nice TH sound, so push the air through your teeth, okay? Thick, thick, okay? To get a nice TH sound. So please repeat after me. Yeah, she's okay. Kim has thick skin. Your turn. All right, very good. Now, after my sentences here, so is Kim okay? The boss yelled at her in the meeting. That's right, you say, yeah, she's okay. Kim has thick skin. All right, everyone. So, okay, we'll cover this in our review for next week's class. All right, our bonus question is another way to say we don't have enough resources. Okay, maybe we don't have enough money, maybe we don't have enough human resources, or maybe we don't have time. How do we say this using a better expression? Well, we covered it in one of our previous videos, so take a look if you have the time, okay? All right, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.